Ten cool car accessories on Amazon you can buy right now. Number 1. Syncwire cell phone ring holder stand. Number 2. BlueDriver LSV2 Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan Tool.
Why should you use BlueDriver? Because it turns your smartphone or tablet into a powerful, yet affordable, professional OBDII scan tool that lets you scan and understand your vehicles. BlueDriver is the tool professionals use to save time and money. When you scan your vehicle with BlueDriver, not only will you get the trouble codes, but you'll get a list of all the possible causes and reported fixes from the Identifix database of experienced ASE certified mechanics. BlueDriver is simple to use. Download the free app, plug the sensor into your OBDII port, and pair it with your device via Bluetooth. That's it. You've got everything you need, and there's nothing extra to buy, ever. See how easy it is to scan and read the trouble codes? Then when the issue is fixed, use BlueDriver to turn the check engine light off. With BlueDriver, you can view live data of your vehicle's engine, charging and cooling systems. Check to see if you'll pass the smog check. You can also perform enhanced diagnostics and read and clear airbag, transmission, ABS, and other module codes. BlueDriver, built and supported by a team of professional engineers in North America. It's the portable wireless scan tool professionals trust most. Get BlueDriver today and experience the pro power of being able to scan and understand your vehicle.
Number 3. Thule Motion XTXXL Roof Box. Number 4. FOBO Tire Plus.
Meet FOBO Tire, the most advanced tire pressure monitoring system. FOBO Tire is the first TPMS to use Bluetooth Low Energy. FOBO Tire comes with a 3-level alert telling you when the tire is merely underinflated or if it is dangerous to continue driving. FOBO Tire alerts you of a tire leak even when you're away from your car, giving you time to get it fixed. You will always be on time for your important appointment. Have more than one car? FOBO Tire monitors multiple cars simultaneously. You can even share FOBO Tire with others through our cross-pair technology. And it's great for families, no matter who is using the car. FOBO Tire is intuitively designed for quick and easy installation. FOBO Tire has an inbuilt theft deterrent feature and notification when the sensor is missing. It monitors your car tires continuously, 24 hours every day, giving you and your family peace of mind for a safe and comfortable ride. FOBO Tire monitors for you so that you can enjoy the journey.
Number 5. Automatic Connected Car Assistant. Number 6. Magnetic Phone Car Mount, Syncwire Universal Car Phone Holder. Number 7. BACtrack S80 Breathalyzer.
Introducing BACtrack's best-selling professional breathalyzer, the BACtrack S80. Featuring BACtrack's largest police-grade extend fuel cell sensor, the S80 is the most accurate breathalyzer in the BACtrack family. Trusted by health clinics, treatment centers, and even law enforcement, the S80 is perfect for anyone seeking a breathalyzer that delivers reliable and accurate BAC results every time you test. Included in the box with the S80 are a padded carrying case, 2 AA batteries, 6 reusable mouthpieces, and the instruction manual. Operating the S80 is easy. Simply power on the device and wait for the countdown timer to begin. It's important to wait 15 minutes after eating, drinking, or smoking before testing. This ensures that your results are as accurate as possible. Once ready, take a deep breath and blow through the mouthpiece until the beeping stops. There's a miniature air pump inside the S80 that activates at the end of each breath sample. You can actually feel the click at the end of your test. This proprietary breath capture system ensures that only a precise breath sample enters the alcohol sensor, while ambient air and external pollutants are kept out. Once your breath sample has been analyzed, your BAC result is displayed on an easy-to-read LCD screen. The S80 also features many advanced controls, including changing your unit of measurements and setting user-defined BAC thresholds. Drink smarter with BACtrack, the leader in breathalyzers.